Hi guys, in this video I'll show you a mini table fan with light. This is a pretty good device. It has got a fan in the middle and a LED bulb surrounded by it. So now let us see the functioning of it. It has got two modes. One is the fast mode and the other is little bit slow. And so now let's see the working of the lights. The first one is a bright light, and the second one is somewhat dim compared to the first one. It is a pretty good one. You could buy this. You will get this in the local market. You could use this if you don't have any inverter or if you don't have any generator. It's a pretty good one. You could use as a fan as well as a light. This is surrounded by lights. I mean, the fan is surrounded by lights, by which the white light is spread everywhere around the room. So, if you see the art, this is a superb fan